Understanding the phrase, cosmic. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of words to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, cosmic. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in different contexts. Cosmic is an adjective that relates to the universe, especially when it's considered as a whole. It's vast, infinite, and beyond our usual comprehension. Imagine looking up at a starry night, and all those twinkling stars, planets, and galaxies. That's the cosmic realm. To make things clearer, let's see how cosmic can be used in various sentences. 1. The telescope allows scientists to observe cosmic phenomena. 2. She often wonders about her cosmic purpose in life. 3. The beauty of the cosmic expanse leaves many in awe. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the essence of the word even more. Here are some synonyms for cosmic. 1. Astronomical. This often refers to sizes and distances that are extremely large. 2. Galactic, relating to a galaxy or galaxies. 3. Universal, involving everyone or everything. Sometimes words and phrases evolve to mean something slightly different in day-to-day speech. Here are a couple of phrases where cosmic might be used. 1. Cosmic rays. These are highly energetic particles from space that enter the Earth's atmosphere. 2. Cosmic joke. A situation where the universe seems to play a prank or ironic twist on someone. And there you have it. The word, cosmic, relates to the vast and infinite universe, a term full of wonder and mystery. We hope this video sheds some light on its meaning and usage. Remember, the universe is full of words waiting to be explored. Until next time, happy learning!